Hello and welcome back to our channel where we speak all about future technical analysis, the importance of understanding the key areas of us longing or shorting, and more stuff about the market, which I actually start to have more of an edge type of a system, which I'm very happy to share with you, and to make sure that you will be able to become profitable faster and sooner. So the more profits you make, the happier we are, because we want to deliver only value through our channel. So we will start with analyzing the market of crude oil, and then maybe we will move also to analyze something else, which will be gold or the bronze and the ZL. So let's see how things move for us here. So at the moment we have this, actually, as I just deleted those ones, but I think it's never been tested yet. So we have this one. We had a daily, okay, we had a daily with a confirmation of this trend line. Unfortunately, I didn't set here an alert, and I did not see that it's working out, but it's worked out very good. Would have been a very, very great type of a trade. So let's do a couple of more testings to see what are we looking for. If, let's say, an example right now, it will break above, test here within the zone, and then it's a confirmation to go higher. But right now, okay, from what we have currently, okay, let's see. Let's look at the daily. Okay, let me see. What is this here? Oh, okay, let's see. Let's look at the daily. Okay, let me see. What is this here? Oh, how is that there? Okay, okay. So what I'm thinking to do, I'm thinking to delete everything and just redo my plan. What you think? Let's do that. Let's do that and see what we are coming up with. You guys can see this is the as plain as possible the chart currently. I'm not looking at where is my key levels or whatever it is. We are literally going to remove our joints. We are having a naked chart, basically looking at the volumes, which not really even having the volume here, but price action, plain price action. Okay, and one thing that we will definitely use is RSI for a confirmation. So I will explain more about the RSI on this video and on other video that will talk only about the RSI as an explanation. Okay, so we will start with first thing first, trend lines. What we want to do, go to monthly. Okay, so we want to look at monthly, what type of trend line we can have. Okay, you know what, okay, you know what, we have this trend line, not bad. I can see that potentially, no, okay. It's only two. With this I can have a channel. Let's have a channel here. Both. So we have a channel. That's better. Last analysis we didn't have the channel. That's why your analysis is the best analysis. But here I want to help you come to understanding of how to analyze your trades. Okay, it will be very helpful because that's what I'm doing with my mentor. I'm doing my analysis. He's watching and just telling me what he believes right, what he believes wrong, and goes from there. So now we are going to do the 50% Fibonacci from one level to another. Let's see if we have respect to that line. The weekly. Okay, there is. Good. Daily. There is. That's very good. Very good, in fact. Okay, so now also make sure that when you do those analysis that the BADJ is not checked, because you will see it's all moving quite a bit. So like this, it will be set. Okay, BADJ you only want to use for ones that is indices, and basically that's the one that basically is covering the gaps. Okay, now what we want to do, we want to look for our key levels. Okay, so let's see. We are taking that and we are looking within the area of the price action that is at current stage. So we have this as a key level. How I do that, it's easier for me to look for the top highs, see that it's getting there after a couple of years, if you want to say, or months, and basically it touching it and rejecting very, very, very greatly. You can see here the gaps, right? If I do BADJ, boom, the gap is still there. Wow. Usually it shouldn't be there, but here it's actually legit gap then versus what you call this change of contract. It's amazing. I will be sharing with you also the different type of confirmations that I'm using right now. It's it's important to stay humble in the game of trading, because otherwise the markets will humble you down very fast. But don't be overconfident and over cocky. It's very important. Okay, so we are looking at that here. Boom, boom, very nice, very nice, very nice. Okay, so more or less this area shows us very great support and resistance. Okay, support and resistance, key level areas. Patience is key, as Warren Buffett said. The stock market is a device. The stock market is a device for transferring money from the patient, from the impatient to the patient. It's very important. Okay, so that, let's look now. Very nice. Okay, so that, let's look now. Very nice. I want to only have those two levels, because you will see it goes from key level to key level to key level, and then it might go lower, but it will go back from key level to key levels. So I don't want to have more to overload my chart. Let's see how many I have. 5 drawings so far. before I had 10. So let's start looking for zones now of supply and demand. So supply and demand, as we say, there is three things. Uh, Location. The first thing is location because we want to look for our location of high pivots and low pivots. Okay, so this here it's in the middle. Okay, that's in the middle. We need it here or here. Okay, or somewhere here because you see pivot to the low. Okay, then we need structure. So structure, we have the structure. What's the structure? That we need a basing candle, and then from that basing candle, okay, we basically will see the wick. So that's the structure. Okay, the wick that need to be on the high. Okay, higher on the high and small, if at all, on the low. Okay, so something like this is great for basing candle. Okay, and then so something like this also it's great because it's showing you pushing pressure, defending to the high. Okay, so basically also drawing this is the wick that we need, that showing that balls were in control and pushed it higher. To have something like this, right? So you see the wick is bigger on the top than on the bottom. It's not very good. Location, not good. We already said that. Now the structure here is that's what we need. Basing candle like this, something of such sort, great. Then we need the sizes. What will be the sizes? So the size of basing candle, that's number one. Okay, so that's okay. This is okay. This the size of, you see, like the actual body, not the VIX. Okay, so the actual body. This is okay. Size of such is okay, but it's also in comparison to what. Okay, so then we have the size of the continuation where we will start having the move to. So if the basing candle is here and the move going towards here, and then there is need to be continuation of a high like this here as well. So then what we are experiencing, it's not a continuation, not good. If it's right away, okay, it's very good. If it's a basing candle with a move and then another basing candle with another move, that's okay as well. The best is when there is a continuation of movement right away in the same time frame. Okay, so what we are looking for right now here is candles. So we had this one day. It's already worked for us. What we will do, we will highlight that again here. Okay, for the sake of having that to see what coming out of that. Okay, so we go to template. We do one day, daily. Okay, and this is for selling. Okay, pressure to selling. Okay, perfect. Now um, we see that. That's good. Now let's look for the next Y location on the pivot high. There is the candle, right? That starts here, ends here. Okay, we can even do like this because it's there's a little gap down. Okay, so we can do that as well. And then we have that. Now, would be the best if we had the entry at these two confirmation stop loss above that. Perfect. And go to the lower. Very good. But again, we didn't have that confirmation. If anything, it depends then if it will break above. We can then have that as a confirmation to long. But hold on. We need now to look for a structure for the long. So 12 hours. Also, don't forget to look right now, what are we experiencing? Is it uh, long, I mean, uptrend or downtrend? So let's see. Overall, if you're including from here, it's an uptrend. But this is a exception because of COVID. So overall, it's really, it's not an uptrend, and it's a side trend, like it's consolidating. So it's not a very good. It's very tight. For risk to reward need to be fairly small. Uh, it can be scalping, but it's very balanced type. Okay, what's the balance? It's going from this area right here to this area right here, and it's a fairly larger range to look for a trade, which you can even say from here to here. No, to here. Let's see. Let's see what will come out. That's a very interesting type of thing. I mean, we can definitely scalp in here. Not massive moves, but can have some. Okay, let's see here. So location wise, no good. But if we have this, and we have with this second confirmation, we can trade that. Look at this. So that's what also here. Ooh. So something like this can be good. 4 hours. So this is 4 hours. We have one confirmation at the moment. Okay. 1, 2, which is on the bottom of the 50%, can work. And what will be the third one? Let's see. Uh, let's see. Uh, there is not really going to be that. Then we can also see the volume. We have this short time. We have this short time. Support and resistance. We can mark that. Right? We can see that. Support and resistance level, very well. So we have right there 3 confirmations, and then we can look at it as a lower lows, higher highs.
Hello, please do not.
Okay, we can look at it as lower lows, higher highs. If we do something here, it will be like that. I mean, you see, we can make it. What we can do entry from here. Okay, let me actually see if there is another zone in here. 1 hour. 1 hour, there is a higher zone here, but it's not within our low. Okay, there is a zone here of 692. Oh, there is a zone here also. So that's a very interesting one. 690. I usually would prefer more of a 690 versus 4 hours. That's for sure. Because also better setup, as I was mentioning, continuation on the low before a rally. So very good. Very good. The VIX also, you can see more on the bottom than the top. closing right by the top here, having great zone, great zone. So that would be more of my setup information. So what I can do, I can have here alert, okay, and I will have here an alert that I will put here, and we'll watch that. So now we can have this stuff to watch, and we have exactly 10 drawing as well. So we have that, okay. Here the 12 hours just got smoked out. This zone didn't work out, and work out for the long a bit, but yes, didn't work out over all time. Okay, perfect. So we have that. Let me see what's happening with the Nasdaq. 690. We can disrupt that. 5 hours. Wow, what an interesting move today. Let me see day. So for today, $10 only movement. That's it. Tesla been on a very crazy move. Okay, very good. So we will continue with ZL. We had that. ZL also. Those two zones got destroyed on a retest. Can always work out, but not too sure about that to tell you 100%. So we'll play with what we have for now. We will play on ZL and I mean CL and ZL BZ. I will do on another video and upload that as well on the YouTube channel. So thanks for watching. Let us know what you are thinking about this video. If there is any other stocks that you want us to analyze, futures, stocks or options, whatever it is, let us know, and we will be here to analyze that together with you, share with you our plan, do your plan, and if it works for you what we're planning, then make it as your own. If not, plan it and share with us. We will be more than happy to also, if you have trades that you want us to review, feel free to share that with us. We will be happy to review, give you feedback, and criticize it, compliment it, whatever it takes to make you profitable and move forward with your analysis as well. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one.